Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You're signed into iCloud and Outlook is installed. Once done, choose a method, iCloud for Windows if you want two-way sync, or a URL subscription for read-only access. Now sign into iCloud. Open Calendar, select the calendar you want, tap Share, and enable Public Calendar. Copy the private webcall URL it gives you. This is the first actionable step, because that URL is what Outlook will use to subscribe and receive your iCloud events. Next, open Outlook and switch to Calendar View. If you're using the URL method, choose Add Calendar or Open Calendar from Internet, paste that webcall link, and subscribe. Outlook will import it as a read-only calendar. Alternatively, install iCloud for Windows, sign in with your Apple ID, check calendars, and press Apply. Outlook will show iCloud calendars with two-way syncing. The why. The URL is simplest but limited. The app is more integrated and keeps edits synchronized between devices. Finish by verifying the calendar appears in Outlook, assigning a color, and positioning it among your calendars. Make sure events display and overlays look correct. Note that subscribed iCloud calendars update on Outlook's schedule and can lag. That's why the iCloud for Windows app often gives fresher, two-way updates. If the calendar is missing or stale, recopy the webcall link or reinstall /sign back into iCloud for Windows. And check that your firewall or an Outlook profile issue isn't blocking the connection.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.